Feeling lost in a sea of competitors? Let's explore how to craft a unique brand position that sets you apart in a crowded market. Hi, I'm Michael Pacheco, fractional CMO for health and health adjacent technology companies, and today I want to guide you through the importance of differentiation and how that can help your brand stand apart from the others. Differentiation helps your brand to become unique, memorable, you build trust when you're differentiated from the crowd. In a crowded market, right, customers have lots of options to choose from. Strong differentiation strategy ensures that your brand captures attention and stays top of mind. So 3 things I want to chat about here real quick. I want to mention here. Number 1, customer perception. Differentiation shapes how your customers perceive your brand, your product, your service, whatever that is. It highlights what makes you special and why they should choose you over your competitors. Number 2, competitive edge. A unique brand position gives you a competitive edge. It makes it harder for competitors to replicate your success and keeps you ahead in the market. Why is that? In most cases, it's pretty easy to replicate someone's product, especially if we're talking commodities. Replicating a product is very easy. Replicating a service is often very easy. If most of the times with services, what you need is SOPs and staff. It's pretty easy to replicate services for the most part. Replicating a brand, however, replicating a unique brand position makes it very difficult to replicate a brand's success. I'll use HP and Apple here, 2 computer manufacturers. HP laptops, Apple laptops. One doesn't really replace the other, even though it does. Does that make sense? The Apple fanboy is not going to go buy an HP laptop. He's going to get the MacBook. HP, it's very difficult for HP to replicate that success that Apple has found with MacBooks, MacBook Airs, iPads. Number 3, customer loyalty. When customers resonate with your unique value proposition or your unique brand position, they are simply more likely to stay with you, become brand advocates, be loyal. Next, let's talk about analyzing your competitors. Understanding your competition is key to identifying opportunities for differentiation. Identify key competitors. I've got 4 things to talk about here. Number 1, identify key competitors. Start by identifying your main competitors. Look at both direct and indirect competitors who offer similar products or services. Number 2, analyze their strengths and weaknesses. Evaluate what your competitors are doing well and evaluate where they fall short. You want both sides of that coin. This can provide insights into market gaps that your brand can then fill. Number 3, assess their brand positioning. Examine how your competitors are positioning themselves within the marketplace. What are their key messages? What are their value propositions? How are they presenting themselves within the market? Understanding this helps you identify ways to differentiate your brand from them. If everyone in the market is doing X, you do Y or Z, depending on where you're at. Number 4, customer feedback. Look at customer reviews and feedback for your competitors. What do customers like or dislike about them? This can reveal areas where your brand can excel. Once you have a clear understanding of your competitors, the next step is to create a unique value proposition that sets your brand apart. 4 things here. Number 1, identify your unique strengths. Determine what makes your brand unique. This could be your product features, this could be customer service, this could be your brand story, or any other aspect that sets you apart. Number 2, focus on customer needs. Align your UVP, unique value proposition, with the needs and desires of your target audience. Ensure that your unique strengths address specific pain points and provide clear benefits. Focusing on pain points and benefits, not features. Forget about features. Features is for dev, R&D. Features is for other people. It's not for the marketing department. We want to focus on pain points and benefits. Number 3, craft a clear and compelling message. Your UVP, unique value proposition, should be communicated clearly and concisely. Use simple language that resonates with your audience and highlights the distinct benefits of choosing your brand. Albert Einstein said, everything should be made as simple as possible, but not simpler. You want it to keep it tight, easy to understand, concise, clear. That's a project for you to work on. Number 4, consistent branding. Ensure that your UVP is consistently reflected across all your branding and marketing efforts. This helps reinforce your unique position in the minds of the customers. In conclusion, crafting a unique brand position in a crowded market involves understanding the importance of differentiation, analyzing your competitors, and creating a compelling value proposition. By following these strategies, you can ensure that your brand stands out and attracts loyal customers. So now I want you to reflect on your current brand positioning. Question number 1, how well do you differentiate from your competitors? Question number 2, what unique strengths can you highlight in your value proposition? Question number 3, how can you align your unique value proposition with the needs of your target audience? Considering these questions can help you identify opportunities for differentiation and create a stronger brand position for your company. So if you're struggling to create a unique brand position or a unique value proposition in a crowded market, I'm here to help. Please reach out to me and let's chat. It's completely free. I have nothing to sell you. And my only goal is to provide you with actionable value that you can apply directly to your business. You can get at me on LinkedIn or by reaching out to me on my website, michaelpacheco.co. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and let me know what was valuable for you in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're watching it on YouTube. If you're listening to this as a podcast, please give us a review on whatever platform it is you're listening on. All of these things together help us help more businesses, and that's our big goal here. So thank you so much for everything that you do. I'm Michael Pacheco. Until next time, cheers.